Barsoi Vidhan Sabha constituency. Barsoi Vidhan Sabha constituency was an assembly constituency in Katihar district in the Indian state of Bihar. It was part of Katihar Lok Sabha constituency. As a consequence of the orders of the Delimitation Commission of India, Barsoi Vidhan Sabha constituency ceased to exist in 2010. A new constituency, Balrampur Katihar Vidhan Sabha constituency, has been created. Election results 1977–2005. In the October 2005 state assembly elections, Manaf Alam of Sipamlal won the Barsoi assembly seat, defeating Dulal Chandra Goswami of BJP. Contests in most years were multi-cornered, but only winners and runners are being mentioned. Mahbub Alam of Sipamlal defeated Dulal Chandra Goswami of BJP in February 2005 and 2000. Dulal Chandra Goswami of BJP defeated Mano Alam of Sipamlal in 1995. Siddiq of JD defeated Mahbub Alam, independent, in 1990. Beulah Dose of Congress defeated Mahbub Alam of Sipam in 1985. Beulah Dose of Congress defeated Yuvraj of Janata Party JP in 1980. Abu Naeem Chand, independent, defeated Siddiq of JP in 1977. References